Hi everyone, my name is Samara Gonzalez and this is my Week 5 Multimedia Screencast presentation for MPA 510, History and Theory of Public Administration. In this week's presentation, I'll walk you through the steps on how to locate an article for an annotated biography. Step 1. Deciding on an article. I found this great metrics online that lists the theorists that we've learned over the course of 5 weeks, their ideas, and how those ideas interacted or related to other theorists that we've learned. I thought that this is a great tool to assist me with identifying which theorists I wanted to learn further information on. Step 2. Search engine and database. For the purposes of this presentation, we'll be searching Google Scholar. Locate the Google Chrome icon on your desktop and/or laptop. Double-click. In the search bar of Google, type in www.scholar.google.com and press enter. After selecting enter, double-click on Google Scholar and begin your search. Step 3. How to locate and search for an article. Once in Google Scholar, start by entering the name of the theorist that you're interested in. Use the quotation mark. In this case, I will be searching Mary Parker Follett. Type in her name, end with a quotation mark, and type in the name of the article that we reviewed in class. In this case, it's The Good Order. Then click on the search icon. Scroll down the page until you find an article that catches your eye. In this case, I chose Taylor's Triangle and Follett's Web. And the way I know that this is an article that I should review is because it has cited by, it has related articles, and of course it has the name of the theorist that I'm interested in learning further on. Double click, and the article will populate. Ensure that you're looking at a journal article, that it has the title of the name that the article has the name that you're looking for, or the title that you are looking for. Ensure that the article has an abstract, and that's one way that you know that it's a journal. Scroll down to see where you can download the file. In this case, it says Read and Download. Double click on the button. And in this search engine, you are asked to enter or log into your institution. In this case, it will be the university that we attend. So I will be typing in California Baptist. You don't have to type in the full name. Click on California Baptist, double click on the hyperlink. Click on OK, proceed, and the article is available for you to download. Click on Download PDF, and the article is available for your print and or review. The reason why I chose this article was based off the title, as well as the sentence in the abstract that states that Follett focused on the web that connects workers to one another and to management. I thought that this will be a great article to read to assist me with being a more in-tuned manager. In conclusion, step 1, identify the theorist. Step 2, identify search engine to use. Step 3, locate article, download, and read. This concludes my Week 5 presentation. Thanks for watching.